Namaste. July Swagacha.
To our YouTube channel. Ajulamba YouTube channel ma swagacha.
Ma Brennan Ho.
This is Missy. Today is a
Special day today.
Today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms in the world. I hope you guys get spoiled
from your kids.
Yeah, get a lot of gifts and flowers, and got some cakes as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today's video gonna be about my mother-in-law.
Yeah. My mom's coming down.
Yeah.
So
as we all know that I can't walk, so I asked my mother to come down here.
Yeah.
So
I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yeah. My friends and my sister gonna help me to cook the food. आजको मेनुमा के छ? Chana, protein, momo, dumplings, yeah, the momo is dumplings. Ani fries. Cause Brandon can't live without fries.
Oh, don't forget PH. I love my PH.
Oh yeah. What else you wanna eat, mommy?
PH.
Okay.
And chapote.
Chop it. ऊ चाहिँ मेरो बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड है स्मिता ओले चाहिँ आज सबै खाना बनाउनुमा मलाई एकदम हेल्प गरेको छ
Namaste guys, I'm going to chura बनाउँदैछु. I'm sharing my dad's special recipe. I am so jealous.
Hi.
I can't get dressed, Mom.
I will do your makeup.
Hello.
Happy Mother's Day.
My mother-in-law. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Been waiting all day to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. You want a gift? Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, thank you.
And that's a flower for you as well.
Oh yeah, that's flower for you. Happy Mother's Day, Ma!
Thank you.
It's just from me and Rebecca, not from Brandon.
Thank you. Thank you.
How's your gift, Mom?
I do need a bag. I was thinking about a bag. I got a bag. Yeah,
You like it?
I do. Well, that comes in handy. Because I keep using the same old bag. Now I've got a new bag.
Yay!
Brian, are you excited to eat? Are you gonna eat it all?
No.
Why not?
Dearly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for the many blessings that God has given us. Please bless our food that Rebecca and Cici and Missy and Mom and Brandon have prepared and cooked, that it may nourish and strengthen our bodies, and please bless their hands. And we thank Thee for everything, and we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Mom, what's your favorite food?
This is it. This is my favorite.
What's that? What do you call it in Nepalese?
Chana.
I told you.
What is it?
Chickpeas.
Chana.
That's my favorite. Yes.
Protein.
Just say protein.
Brandon, what's your favorite Nepalese food? That's not Nepalese food.
You have chips in the Nepalese, don't you?
No, we don't.
No, we don't have
This is so
Thank
good.
you guys. It's
We
so
should get a pizza.
amazing.
I did it.
Oh, my heart is so happy
It's
right
perfect.
now.
Why is
Because I am in love with the food. Go away!
Go away.
Haven't been fat.
Get off.
What are you doing?
Don't do that.
I hate $10.
To all the mothers, especially my mother. Mother, you have to sing it.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, you should sing it to me. Isn't that right?
We let the waters rise
Brandon.
No, I'm not gonna say shush, shush,
You just said it.
shush.
You shush.
He's so
Yeah.